China has given all the people of China, regardless of nationalities, a chance to become modern, to share in the dividend of development. The Communist Party has done well for China by organizing the Chinese people, but it has also gone further to give its experience to other countries in how to use capital in a most efficient manner to develop a modern economy. So this is the historic goal which the Chinese Communist Party has over the years proven to be pursuing. They want prosperity for the Chinese people. They want prosperity for their neighborhood. They also want prosperity for the world. That's the biggest lesson which China has taught the world, that rapid progress is not centered around a particular nation, but it is a shared goal of all humanity. And Africans are very happy because our relationship with China is peer-to-peer. Although it's a very big country now with a modern economy, they don't show off. They have no hegemony over African people. They respect the politics of a country. They have no foreign army in another country fighting to impose Chinese standards. So the best dividend which China has given to Africa is a new source of capital so that Africa can develop its young population, can open up its mines, can build roads and railways, and can have telecommunications for African people to talk to each other. A lot of it owes to the arrival of China on the global stage.